What's up, everybody? Make sure to smash it with your phone with the like button. Hit the notification ding, and make sure to subscribe. So you never
that bell.
And ring that bell so you never miss any one of those videos. And we're gonna show you how to do it. In 1, 2, 3. No wait. 1, 2, 3.
What's up? I'm gonna show you how to box.
Tough.
And here's extra bonus for a bonus. And also, here's a tip. When you're kicking like this, don't kick with your foot. Kick with your shin. Like this. Watch. Come over here, Brayden, follow me. Stand right here, where I am right now, facing it. So you can see me. Go like this. So watch, I'm going to hold it real quick. Go like that on your shin so it doesn't break your foot.
So, since we did that, we're going to show you the mess of chaos upstairs. I mean, like, not right here. We're in the basement. And then we're going to go upstairs to my room. And I'm going to show you the room. It's very loud up here, so shh.
Yeah, every year to visit that now. They never like my entire life every year. Nick with this ear pierce though, it's like
A lot of people. I go upstairs. So now we're going to go upstairs. Here's my staircase.
It's my
My room is like kind of a mess, but not really. So here's my room. Beautiful. This is where I sleep. And we're gonna pause the video. Make sure to see our other video called 3 AM. Peace out.